So it's 6 in the morning and I'm recording in my art studio. This week is final week at school and it's a little bit chaotic here. Several final projects are happening all at once. Besides schoolwork, I wanted to take a moment to share some of my personal work too. I'm currently taking 5 art-related classes this semester. Painting 2, painting 3, yes, at the same time, portrait drawing, drawing 1, and digital imaging 2, which is graphic design course. This piece here is my final for the portrait drawing class. The assignment was to draw someone I know interacting with their environment. I chose one of my dearest friends. We used to work together as floor designers. I asked him to pose for this piece and he did. He has such an expressive face and fun gestures. A few weeks ago, we made a flower wall together and that moment inspired this drawing. By the way, my career background is in floor design. I've worked in the industry for many years and now I'm freelance while going back to school to study fine art. It has been a rewarding challenge to return to being a student. Since I already have a career, I can focus purely on what sparks my curiosity. This is one of my favorite series called Dancing Divas. It lives right in front of my bedroom at the moment. I painted it back in 2022 or 23, but I never had a chance to show it in an exhibition. I stopped doing shows after 2022. Hopefully it can be shown soon. This is from my painting 3 class. The process started very differently. I have been practicing Pierre Bonnard's techniques. Loosening up, leaving space to breathe, and breaking free from strict structure. I used to paint in a more academic style, so this was unfamiliar and a bit confusing at first. I even asked my professor if I could continue working on it at home, and thankfully he said yes. This final piece is for my painting 2 class. Sadly, the camera doesn't quite capture the subtle brushwork and color transitions I worked so hard on, but I promise it's there. The deadline is this morning, in about 3 hours actually, but I'm done with the final touch-ups. So tonight I still need to work on 2 big paintings and 2 drawings. Actually 2 drawings are due by Thursday. So we will see how it goes. So I will update you next week on how everything turned out. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.